Hi guys, how are you all? So welcome back to my channel at the rate of Mysterious Girl Soumya. So hope you all are keeping good and keeping your health well. So because I'm worried all about you guys over here. So I have my today my reading is all about who has bad evil eye on you guys. Okay, I've already shuffled my pile over here, so you have to check any one of the two deck over here. My first deck is White Rider Tarot Pack, second is Tarot Let Go. Okay guys, so choose any of your two decks over here. If you want to choose both of them, you can choose both of them. Okay guys, so let's start with our reading with Tarot Pack, White Rider Tarot Pack, who has bad evil eye on you. Today my reading is all in English. कुछ वर्ड्स मैं हिंदी में भी बोलूँगी वैसे, सो आपको चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अगर आपको इंग्लिश आती है सो वेल एंड वेल गुड, सो प्लीज़ डू अंडरस्टैंड. ओके गाइस, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज़ देयर फॉर यू. पाइल वन, थ्री ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, द एम्प्रेस, जजमेंट. रिवर्स आया था तो मैं रिवर्स ही लूँगी गाइस. दिस इज सिक्स ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, एस ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, सिक्स ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, पेज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स, too many cards, ace of wands. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo. Fire sign is not there guys, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is very prominent here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, seven of pentacles, five of wands, and I'll take from my guide deck also what is there for you guys. Sharing, control, courage. Okay guys, what I am having a vision, this person has tried to control over you. Most of them could be your own family members, what I am picking up the energy. Okay guys, for others this could be your own cousin's relative who has a bad eye on you guys. This could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. For the Virgo, so yeah, definitely इस पर्सन की बहुत ज़्यादा बैड आइज़ है आपके ऊपर. एंड दिस कुड बी अ फॉर मोस्टली दिस कुड बी अ फीमेल फिगर गाइस. ओके, अगर ये आपके फ्रेंड्स के साइड से भी है तो ये कोई फीमेल फिगर मुझे नज़र आ रही है. या आपकी पास्ट एनर्जी से भी मैं पिकअप कर पा रही हूँ. लाइक आपने जैसे इनकी और आपकी बहुत ज़्यादा फाइट हुई होगी पास्ट में, एंड लाइक आप बहुत ज़्यादा अपने में ग्लो कर रहे हो इस टाइम. अगर आप फीमेल हो तो भी बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लो कर रहे हो, अगर मैन हो तो भी आप एम्परर के रूप में बनते जा रहे हैं यहाँ पर. यू आर लाइक अर्निंग योर ओन पेंटिकल्स, यू आर हैविंग योर ओन सेल्फ रिस्पेक्ट, you are very beautiful over here. Okay, this person don't want your anything good in future guys, trust me this. Okay, and yes, you might have walked away from this person and you are like growing so much. This person keep on stalking you from far, and yeah, this card came in reverse, so they don't want your success now, they want your downfall. Like you see how the pentacles are going down with this person, and that's why your mood is becoming on off while working. You're having so much of mood swings. It's because of this person evil eye on you. Okay, this person has tried to control you a lot. Okay guys, but you are a person who share their feelings. You have the positivity in you, you have that so much of abundance in you. You can be, my end of the deck is King of the Pentacle here, strength. Okay, so you are becoming every day stronger and stronger every day. Okay, so I am picking up that energy from you, and yeah, this person is finding courage to come over you again. Okay, further this could be a female energy. Okay, I'm mostly picking up female only, I don't know why, but this is a female energy. Okay, for others this could be a young person, he could be a elder than you. Okay, but he is also focusing right now on their energy. It's like vice versa, I versus you versus me. I'm picking up this energy from this person. Okay, there was an equal give and take before in past, but this person has ghosted you a lot. He or she has kept you in third party twice. Okay, थर्ड पार्टी का मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि कोई एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन हो, ये आपका फैमिली मेम्बर भी हो सकता है, रिलेटिव्स भी हो सकते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं या उनके पेरेंट्स भी हो सकते हैं. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग, रिलीजियस फैक्टर, फाइनेंशियल इशू. Okay, so I am picking up like this person have kept you in the third party very twice, coming and going, coming and going. You were like, you also like, enough is enough, I am going away. So you just walked away from this person. See how they have kept you in third party. You might have fought for them, you might have given them a lot. एंड कुछ लोगों के लिए मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है ये आपके पास से भी हो सकता है, आप इनके साथ लिव इन में भी रहे होंगे, तो भी आपका बुरा ही चाह रहा है हर टाइम. कुछ लोगों के लिए मैं पिकअप कर पा रही हूँ ऐसा. ओके गाइस, अभी आपके साथ हो सकता है कुछ लोगों के लिए फैमिली भी नहीं चाह रहे हो, या आपका बस बुरा होते हुए देखना चाह रहे हो. ओके, सो दिस वॉज फॉर माई पाइल one reading. Hope you all liked it, hope it resonated with you. Do let me know on comment below section. So I'll move with my pile to those who choose this tarot let go. Okay guys, so let's see what is there for you guys. So are you ready, pile 2? I am having a feeling like, yeah, you guys are ready. Definitely you want to know who is this bad person, right? So let's see what is there for you, my pile 2. Okay, I'll do first from my pile 1, the Fool. Scorpio, Chariot. Okay, Hermit, Ten of Swords, Six of Swords, Empress. This is similar like pile 1 guys. If you want to see my pile 1, I've got same piles on those deck also. So if you want to check, you can choose that deck also. Ace of Pentacles reverse, Ace of Cups reverse, Ten of Cups reverse, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Scorpio, Virgo. I am picking up Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Sagittarius, Aries, Leo. Okay guys, mostly signs doesn't matter, but if you know this person, you can already resonate the signs also of this person. Who is this? Okay, I am picking up like this person is not balanced totally. Okay, you are feeling so much disturbed because of this person. Okay, this person can be a beast. Okay, what I am picking up, like they come and go. ये आना जाना करते हैं आपके पास, या आपकी फीलिंग्स ख़त्म करके जाते हैं, एंड देन दे एक्सपेक्ट कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा बिहेव करेंगे इनके साथ. ओके, एंड या दिस पर्सन ऑलवेज लाइक sees you from far. They are stalking your social media. If you are a social media, if you are doing over your social media thing, you are in a social media, you are a famous person in YouTube, Instagram or anywhere, this person is, so this person is like being like stalking at you. They want to come towards you, they are getting mad over you, they are becoming indecisive. You are over here emperor, empress guys. You are very abundant. हो सकता है आप लोग, कुछ लोग शादीशुदा भी हो यहाँ पर ये person, this guy is like, oh my god, sorry guys. So this person is like, what a beautiful charm. Oh my god, Okay, so this person might come over you and travel over you. This person keeps you on waiting all time. I won't say like this is so much of bad energy, but for others, they think like your family member had harm to them, और उनको लगता है कि आपकी फैमिली ने जैसे बुरा किया होगा उनका, यू सी, तो वो आपकी फैमिली का भी अच्छा नहीं चाह रहे इस वक्त. Ace of Cups reverse. They don't want any good offer to come towards you. They feel like you can't be abundant. आप वो आपसे इतना कंपटीशन करें. उन्होंने इनफैक्ट अपने भी फैमिली मेम्बर्स को आपके साथ लाया होएगा, उनके साथ मिलकर पॉलिटिक्स की होएगी बहुत अच्छे से. ओके, एंड दे हैड हार्म्ड योर फीलिंग ट्वाइस. ये हो सकता है अगर आपका अभी इनसे ब्रेकअप हुआ हो. ओके, ब्रेकअप का ज़रूरी नहीं कि कपल वाला ब्रेकअप ही हो. इन्होंने आपको थर्ड पार्टीज में तो डाला ही. ओके, एंड व्हाट आई एम पिकिंग अप लाइक वो खुद इतने पॉलिटिक्स में इन्वॉल्व हो गए थे. इन्होंने आपको पॉलिटिक्स में करके अच्छे से खुद इनडिसाइसिव हो गए थे वो. एंड दे आर लाइक दे आर नॉट टेकिंग लीप ऑफ फेथ. उनको खुद नहीं पता, वो खुद इतने बेवकूफ़ी कर रहे हैं. बट आप हैं स्मार्ट गाइज ओवर. यू आर टोटली अबंडेंट. आपके साथ एंजल्स है, स्पिरिट्स है. सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुल दिस कार्ड ना, the lady sitting over here. So you are like this emperor empress. Okay, you don't care who is harming you. You are just like blooming every day. Now let's take my oracle. See, politics. This person is doing lots of politics behind your back, guys. This person is wearing a false mask. He or she can lie you. They have proper like indication that they can destroy your feelings. I am picking up so much bad energy from this person. I see how the snakes are around over here. This person is so much of snakes. ये आपको जब डसते हैं ना तो अच्छे से डस के जाते हैं पूरा का पूरा. Okay, so and this person is wearing a false mask. This person is doing bad politics with you guys. Clinging to the past. Okay guys, this person can be your past person. He or she could be your ex. This person is a beast. Okay, this person has totally ruined your life. He has kept you all time in third parties. They come and go. This is like I'm picking up like totally pile 1 energy, guys. So I think you must check up that pile too if you wish to. Okay, and this person is thinking only about you and whatever happened with you with this person in past. Okay, I feel like this person is not even participating in good things. They are like being so much like, let me check the end of the deck. What is the end of the deck? Yeah, the miser. All over deck is the miser. So this person is holding on to past a lot, holding on you. They are being acting so much of miser. They don't want to let you go. They don't want your success even. आना तो ये चाह रहे हैं आपके पास, पर ये आपकी सक्सेस भी नहीं चाह रहे. ये नहीं चाहते कि आप इनसे आगे बढ़े. सो मैड पर्सन, बीस्ट. सॉरी गाइज अगर आपको बुरा लग रहा हो, बट या this person is a miser. He is acting like a mouse right now. Okay guys, he is feeling so lonely, he or she. एक तो इनकी खुद की गलती होती है और खुद ही बुरा मानते हैं. खुद मिस्टेक करें, खुद बुरा माने. ऐसे लोगों के साथ तो ऐसा ही होएगा ना, अभी नहीं तो बाद में तो होएगा ही होएगा ना. दे आर एक्टिंग सो मच इमेच्योरली. कभी आते हैं, कभी ऑन ऑफ करके जाते हैं, आपकी फीलिंग्स अवेक कर देते हैं, अपने आप को महान आत्मा समझते हैं बहुत बिना कुछ करे हुए ही. तो दिस इज़ लाइक नॉट गोइंग वर्थ. सो if my reading guys resonated with you, do let me know on comment below section. And yeah, so thank you pile 2. So this was my reading for you. So hope it resonated with you guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel at the